So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this album art design in Canva. So let's jump right into Canva and do that now. Alright, welcome everybody. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a new page. We're going to come to the plus icon, and this time we're going to use the custom size. Okay, this one is going to be 3000 by 3000. Most album art, it's always like this. Either you're making podcast album art, music album art, this is the size. Okay, let's go 3000 by 3000. And the next thing, I'm going to bring in all my elements into the design, because those are the things we're going to be working with, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. So I'm just going to click here. They're already in my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it. It's an entire page, so we're just going to have everything there so that we can drag everything into our design and start working. Okay, here are the elements, okay, that we'll be using. Okay, so this is background, so let's drag it into the background, and we're just going to make it as big as we can and position it somewhere here. We're going to bring the image of the model. Most model for album art is always dramatic, okay, especially image that resonate with the theme of the music. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the background from this one, and now we have this man in the dark and lights reflecting on the body. Okay, and now I'm going to bring in some clouds. Okay, these two are actually the same thing, and what I can do is position this one here, is the cloud to cover his face. Okay, that's the idea. So we're going to bring in other item, parental advisory. Okay, this used when the music has explicit content. Okay, we are assuming here now that it does. I'm going to bring in this thunder, and all of these elements are in Canva template library. You can search them. You can search for lightning, and you'll find a whole lot. Okay, and make this a little bigger. Then the music, okay, we have this last cloud. I'm just gonna position it behind this one. Let's push it backwards, come here, and just make it under here so that I can give it some visibility. Then the music title itself, it's cloud. Okay, this word cloud. Let's just drag everything into our design. Okay, let's make a copy. Let's remove all of this. Okay, clouds. Okay, the font we are using here is called Neo Machina. Okay, and we're gonna make this one big. Let's remove this extra space. Okay, you notice that there is already settings here, but what I did, or what you can do, maybe let's type all this from the beginning. Let's type let's bring in the text. It already have this effects too, Neo Machina. Okay, here we have the space in the letter spacing to be around 300 or 3 or so. Okay, then we type the word cloud. Okay, oh, that's not cloud. Cloud. I selected, or I came to effects to give it that glowy effect. Come to neon. Okay, and you can either make it really white. Let's make this font big so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, now you see we got the same thing, right? Okay, so that's how we go here. So we can delete this and make use of the one we just made, and we're gonna bring in, okay, we already have our text here. Name of the artist is Pavement, and produced by, let's remove cloud. Let's make a copy of this. Let's remove this. Okay, called Pavement, and now I'm gonna say produced by Canva Design. So this is a fictional brand album art. Okay, and we're just gonna position this one here, make it smaller. Then here we're gonna take the spacing to the highest, then we're gonna remove the boldness. Okay, we don't want it, and we also remove the effect. We don't want it to, because we want this to be visible. Okay, produce by Canva. Okay, let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, and now we are good to go. I'm trying to create some balance here. Let's make this one a little bit bigger. Pavement. because we want the artist name to show. Make this one big. So what we can do now is to center align everything, very important. Come here and just click on center. Let me send this to the back so I can select this. Come to position, select it again and come to center. Click here, come to center. Okay, sorry, it's centered. Okay, cool. Now we're done. What we can do now is to download the design and we're going to mock it up, okay, in a way that you can see it. So I'm going to come to share, come to download, just download the first page. What happened? Canva is back to the old way of downloading item. Please give us the new one, please. This is the old method, okay. I'm just going to click on current folder, click on OK. Everything else remain the same, okay. Just click download. What's wrong with my Canva? Canva upgraded this download system. I don't know why it's back. So once our item is downloaded, what we can do, we're going to drag it into our design, into our page, and we're going to mock it up, okay. I'm going to make it look like a CD, okay. So during your assignment where you're submitting, submit the mocked up version, okay, not the design itself like this. Submit the mock-up version, which we're about to do. All right, we're good. So we're going to create a new page and we're going to navigate to where our design is. Come here, click on the file and just drag it into your design, okay. And now that we have it, we're going to come to element and we'll look for frames, okay, and look for the circled one, this one, and just drag your design into it, okay. And now what we have is this, okay. And now we're going to bring in a circle, hit C on your keyboard, it's going to give you a circle. And now we're going to use the color of the background, okay. You can change the color of the background to anything you want, but let's use the color picker to pick something. And now what we have is this, okay. I really don't know the proportion of this circle to this circle. Well, what I can do is to select both of them, come here and just, okay, they are aligned, okay. But assuming you are not aligned, let's say the circle is here and you don't know the center, and you select both of them, what you can do is to come here and say center and middle. It's going to position it in the center. Okay, cool. So that's it. You can change the background to whatever you want. Let's say the color here is let's change it to something dark, okay. I don't want gradient, I want something plain color. Let's take this blue and come to the background and select the same color, okay. It's going to give you the same effect. So this is what you're submitting when you're making your assignment. And that person is the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.